What was your own, notion about criminal justice? Had you watched the first season when you were getting into this universe? What were you expecting?
So no, I had not seen CJ before I came on board. When I was almost like when I was considering coming on board, I had started watching season 1. और मैं सिर्फ एक एपिसोड ही देखा मैंने, almost one episode. But I just knew that CJ had done very well. इतना मुझे जरूर पता था. And I was more than happy to have been considered for this. So my whole overall attitude towards this proposal was very very positive. And फिर it didn't matter यार, मतलब मैंने देखा नहीं एक एपिसोड के बाद, but मुझे पता था कि then that wasn't necessary, and also जो इसका British original version है CJ2 का, वो भी मैंने देखा था, 1-2 episodes देखे थे. But for me then it's just about getting into it from wherever I am. So yeah, I just knew that it was an interesting space, and it was a very interesting role, very intense one, but very interesting, and I just thought I should do it.
For both of you, Pankaj ji and Anupriya, how was it to take forward those characters?
नहीं, मेरे लिए तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट नहीं होता है, हो जाता है.
काफी इंटरेस्टिंग रहता है, क्योंकि जैसे पहले टेलीविजन में ऐसा हो सकता था शायद, या फिर थिएटर में, कि आप एक रोल को बार बार कर रहे होते थे. यहाँ आप एक रोल को पिकअप करते हैं बाद में, तो कैरेक्टर्स की केमिस्ट्रीज और लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस चेंज होते हैं. मेरे लिए बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग था ये सोचना भी कि आई एम गेटिंग टू रिप्राइज द रोल आफ्टर अ व्हाइल. एंड सेम टीम, मेरे को बहुत मजा आया कि इन द सेंस कि वो फीलिंग जो होती है कि आप सेम टीम के साथ दूसरी चीज लेके जा रहे हैं. लाइक अभी सीजन 2 किसी का आने वाला है, and there was a talk कि maybe वो टीम बदलेगी, तो I was very upset. I was like, no, we should continue with the same team, because it's also about the emotion. It's just not about a project, So yeah, I think those things matter to me somewhere. And yeah, I mean, difficult, not really. Of course, थोड़ा बहुत ध्यान रखना पड़ता है पहले, जो उसकी बैक स्टोरी रही है, आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज और उन चीजों का. बट जैसे को एक्टर्स और अच्छे डायरेक्टर्स के साथ वो चीजें आसान भी हो जाती हैं.
Pankaj Tripathi is like the star, and he can pick and choose. So now that Madhav Mishra is also moving ahead in his life, and as we can see from season 2, मुझे बताइए आज आप कहाँ हैं? आज आप और माधव मिश्रा अलग फेज में आ गए हैं फाइनली.
आज माधव मिश्रा पहले मेरे बाहर भी रहते थे, अब मेरे अंदर रहते हैं. वही है, आदमी वही होता है. नेचर और सिग्नेचर कहाँ बदलता है, समय भले बदल जाए. सो मैं जैसा पहले था वैसा आज ही हूँ. तो प्रतिभा भी, टैलेंट भी ऑलमोस्ट थोड़ा बहुत ही अंतर होता है, वक्त का अंतर हो जाता है, समय का खेल है सब, और कुछ नहीं. तो यस, माधव मिश्रा बिल्कुल मेरे अंदर हैं, बहुत ही स्ट्रांगली हैं. और मुझे अच्छा लगता है माधव मिश्रा, उसका पावरलेस पना है ना, कि उसको कोई तवज्जो नहीं देता है, तो वो बहुत खूबसूरत लगता है मुझे. माधव मिश्रा का साधारण होना, और वो साधारण होने में वो टुवर्ड्स द एंड वो असाधारण बन जाता है सीजन 1 में. तो लाइफ का यही मजा है, जिंदगी यही है.
Have not shown really what women convicts go through or accused go through in the prison, and it is quite scary. It is disturbing. I have read, but I have not seen a lot. So could you also talk to me about, Kirti, doing those scenes or getting into that zone, both of you?
Yeah, I mean, the jail is a big part of the show. And there's a lot of time my character spends in the jail. So that jail life and what happens there, and how she kind of finds herself in that world. It surely is a scary place, and it's even scarier for a person like Anu. the kind of person she is, especially at this point of life. She's it's a lot of it's a very nightmarish place. It's surely not a place you want to be in, and it is. There was stuff we did which was. I mean, I know it's acting. I know it's this, it's that, but still, like, I used to read the scenes and I'm like, shit, aaj ye karna hai, and I'm like, oh god, I used to like literally have to prepare myself mentally ki aaj ye karna hai. They had given me an option of, do you want to visit a jail before we go on board to see what it's like, this and that, and I'm like, no, I don't need to, because even as a character, it's the first time she's entering a space like this, so I would rather be surprised or shocked by or whatever I see even on the set. So let's just keep it like, as organic as possible.
I mean, protagonist is that of a woman, and she's going through her life journey, which is also something that has not been really captured on the big screen. According to me, we don't talk about such issues much more openly, and many people are not aware about things. So I think from that perspective also the show is very important, and when you feel that you're part of something which is saying something relevant, it itself has a very promising sort of, a feeling.
As women in Hindi cinema, do you also feel that jo opportunities you've gotten here have literally made you also feel that you are being used properly, adequately by the medium?
I feel that in my journey, both the movies that I've done recently in the last 2-3 years and the series that I've done have played an equally important role, and they've kind of complemented one another. So while of course you want to be doing much more, you want to have larger graph, which obviously the web series and all offer you more, just also because it's a 10-hour concept vis-a-vis a 2-hour concept. So I still feel that the films that I've done in the recent past have explored my characters truthfully. Yes, I want to do more center stage and I want to do far more layered characters, but they have given me that space and that freedom to express myself and have taken me to the masses. I think that's what I feel.
No matter what stage of life I was in, no matter whether I had 10 things to choose from or I had 2 things to choose from, I didn't do anything compromising what how I look at acting. So no, stereotyping is not a problem at all for me. And secondly, about the OTT space, undoubtedly, whatever you do on film, and it's a different world altogether. Bollywood is a different world altogether, and this whole surge of series and OTTs and all of that, it's given wings to everyone to fly, and it's doing a lot of good. It's bringing a lot of talent to the fore, which I think it's high time, because I've always been like, it's not about me, but it's about why? Like, why are we all stuck in the same rut? Why are we all so comfortable in doing shit? I'm not saying there's not good stuff that comes out of Bollywood, but no, if you look at the numbers, if you look at the majority of what's coming out, it's blah. It's like, why? And now when OTT is finally offering so much, people are choosing to, now you will really start seeing it becoming a level playing field. Now you'll really see how much people are okay to go and spend money and time on watching a film in theater, or like just watching or spending, I would say, anywhere between 8 to 10 hours watching a series that actually grips them, and watching some real talent in terms of writing, in terms of direction, in terms of actors. So I think the choice is too many options. The choice for the audiences is opening up in a way which is the real decider.